Hello everyone. If your YCC365 camera is not connecting to Wi-Fi, you can just simply try the troubleshooting methods that I'm about to show you in this video. So YCC365 cameras do not support the 5 GHz Wi-Fi network. So this particular thing is critical. You need to go to the router's settings and make sure that 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi is enabled. If your Wi-Fi shows a single name, you can temporarily disable 5 GHz and you can also create a separate 2.4 GHz network. Now, after doing this, simply open your YCC365 Plus application and start adding the camera again. Now, even after doing this particular step, the issue still persists. You can just hop on to our second fix, in which you just have to do nothing but to just reset or restart your camera. For that, you just have to simply press the reset button on your camera for at least 5 to 10 seconds until the light flashes or until you hear a beep. After doing this, again, you need to open the application, then tap on the plus icon that you see inside it. Afterwards, you need to select your smart camera and then tap on the option of scan to add. Then you need to enter your Wi-Fi password carefully. Just make sure that you hold your phone at least 10 to 20 centimeters in front of the camera lens and that you align the QR code. Wait until you hear the confirmation beep and then tap on the option of I heard the beep. Stay close to the router while it connects and the setup is going to take about 1 to 2 minutes. So you need to simply wait until it connects. So if connection still fails, you can adjust some of the things in your routers. Like first of all, the Wi-Fi name should be visible and it should not be hidden. The password does not have any complex special characters and too many devices are not connecting to the same Wi-Fi. So you need to make sure that these settings are up to date. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.